Are you tired of guessing which content topics will actually drive traffic? Learn how to find proven, high-volume ideas in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to use Semrush's topic research tool, from accessing it to prioritizing your best ideas. Start by going to the topic research tool. Click on the highlighted area. Click on US to set the country. Click on Country to open the selector. Click on Country to choose a different country. Click on Country to finalize. Click on Topic Research to go back. Click Get Content Ideas to generate suggestions. Type in the highlighted field to enter your seed topic. Click Get Content Ideas to see results. Click on Content Ideas to view suggestions. Click on Favorite Ideas to see saved ones. Click on Content Ideas to return to the full list. Click on Cards to switch to card view. Click on Explorer to dive deeper. Click on Overview to see a summary. Click on the feedback prompt to provide feedback. Click on Mind Map to visualize relationships. Click on the highlighted area to explore a node. Click on Volume to sort by search volume. Click on Prioritize Topics By to choose sorting criteria. Click on the first highlighted item. Click on the second highlighted item to complete your selection. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.